Diamond Group is one of the oldest manufacturers of crushing and screening machinery in India. Over the years, the group has expanded to cater to related products also. Titan Crushing Equipment LLP manufacturers state-of-the-art crushing and screening equipment with latest designs. We are manufacturers and installs crushing and screening plants. CMC Chi-I-Mean Machinery highly reputed manufacturers of fixed shaft cone crushers. Sri Srinivasa Alloy Casting a world-class steel foundry. ProQuip engineered to enhance, technology developers for equipment in construction and hydraulic industry. Diamond Group is well placed to serve crushing and construction industry. For crushing equipment and plants, the group has excellent manufacturing facility near Mumbai, which can produce more than 600 jaw crushers per year. Our jaw crushers are considered as highly dependable equipment by industry. The factory also has facility for refurbishing and repairing old machines. Also spares stock is maintained. Supplied to all spare depots as well as to customers. Our Hyderabad factory producer cone crusher, VSIs and screens. Hyderabad factory has modern manufacturing facilities, trained workforce, and excellent vendor backup for critical machining. Stringent quality control is applied on all machines and each machine is tested extensively before dispatch. We are also building a new factory at Bangalore. We have design and sales officer at Navi Mumbai and Bangalore. Our products. Our DJ series welded body jaw crushers are highly reputed in market and we have over 5,000 installations. Our J series bolted body jaw crushers are latest design and give 20 to 30% higher capacity. Our C series cone crusher is floating shaft type. More than 100 machines are working satisfactorily all over India. Over DP series fixed shaft crushers give excellent capacity as well as shape of product and have very high level of customer satisfaction. DVX series VSIs are most suitable for shaping and sand production. Our V series VSIs are latest designs to minimize wear and tear with high capacity. Vibrating screens have modern design with a cardan shaft and huck bolted body. Grizzly feeder have salient features. Huck bolted construction, ultra durable, low power consumption, scalping deck, with unbalanced motor. We have an experienced and dedicated team of professionals for executing projects and well as service engineers for customer support. Over 20 service engineers are always ready to support an equipment in the field. We have spares depots at Navi Mumbai, Haryana, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Spare availability ID just a phone call away. We participate in global exhibitions such as Excon, BAMA etc. Diamond keeps adding world-class products to the range to meet requirements of aggregate industry. We look forward to enjoying with you to improving and product range and services.